Hi, I'm Michaela Goose, and I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about our audio board today, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so first things first, the most simple thing is basically in order to turn on the mics, you just press this on button, it'll light up, and then you can raise and lower the volume however much you need. If you want to turn off the mic, the person's done using it, or VTR1 is no longer playing, which is what this mic is for, you just turn it off. In order to know which sound is coming from what, you just look at these letters, look at these labels. So we have mic 4, we have VTR1, VTR2, all of the normal mics. Now over here we have our control room volume and our audio booth volume, and just like the mics themselves, you just raise and lower it however much you need or however much your director needs. But it's super simple. In order to have two mics on at once, you can easily do that. Just press 2 and you raise and lower it however much you or your director needs. Alright guys, so the second part of audio is how to play our soundtracks. These are the soundtracks you're going to need for any of your shows. So this is all going to be on the board under the label B-Cart PC. So you can need to have that turned on and raised as high as you want it to go. If I want to play any of these tracks, I just hit the number that is on the right side of the colored boxes. So for example, if I want to play our NTTV News theme, I just press 1 and it'll immediately start playing. Now if I want to stop it from playing, I press 1 again. So click once, twice, and it'll immediately start playing once I hit the key again. Same thing goes for, let's say, number 6, our nightly news voice only. I press number 6 and it'll do it again. Then I press 6 again and it immediately stops. The important thing is to make sure that B-Cart PC is turned on and has the volume up so that way that you can hear it. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to learn is how to plug in a wired mic into our mic box. So you're going to get your wired mic through this little pouch, and it's on a drawer labeled wired mics on the little drawer thing. So you're going to take this in and plug it into whichever mic you want to use. So I'm going to go with mic 1, which is over here. Make sure it's in there and it clicks. This is your mic, and normally our anchors would put it up through their shirt so that way there's no lines and you can't see the wire. We're not doing that now because I'm already mic'd up, but that is how you plug that in. Then we're going to go over the IFB. You can use any of these to plug in your IFB box. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to connect it to the IFB box just like that. Make sure it clicks. Then your anchor would put in their IFB through here, and then there's a little knob on the side where they can raise and lower the volume depending on how loud or how quiet they would like to hear the director. So that's everything you need to know about audio. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.